Good morning everybody. Welcome to our online social studies class. How are you all doing? I am wonderfully well. Thank you. Hope you all are doing good. Had your breakfast? Of course you might have your breakfast. Yes, even I had my breakfast. What did you take in your breakfast? You might had idli, vada, dosa, chapati, puri. We all have this in breakfast, am I right? So we eat different type of things daily. So what we eat is called as our food, as we all love to eat food. We all are foodies, am I right? Why am I discussing about food today all of a sudden? Because it's the name of our topic today. The name of our topic is food we eat. Food we eat. So it's not food. It's pronounced as food. Food we eat. So all of us eat something or the other daily. We eat different types of food. Am I right? Why do we eat food? We eat food to live. We all human beings need food, water, shelter, air to live. Am I right? We all are living beings. We live on the planet called Earth, which is the third planet. We have air in it, we have land, we have oceans. Am I right? So we also need food, shelter to live. What is a shelter? A place where we have to live. So food is the most essential part in our daily life. If we don't have food, what will happen to us? We may become sick. We may get hurt. Our stomach hurts a lot if we don't have food on time. And we may also feel sick if we don't have food for one day long. What happens? We may feel sick. So that is why for all human beings, food is very essential. Am I right? Yes, come on, let's get started. To start, I ask you all to open your textbooks and see the lesson number 3, which is food we eat. Okay. So here we meet with our friend today. Who is he? He is a Chunky. So he is feeling very hungry. He wants something to eat. It's a bunny called as Rabbit. So what is the favorite food of Bunny? His mother is offering him a carrot, which is yellow color, also called as fruit. It's a fruit and a vegetable. So here Chinky likes to eat carrots. So he is having a food. Now what does food gives us? Food gives us energy. What does it gives us? It gives us energy. It makes us strong. It builds our body. It helps us to grow. We are growing children. Am I right? We grow day by day. So we are all growing children. This food helps us to grow. This food helps us to learn, to remember things, gives us strength, it makes us strong, it gives us energy to play around, move around, walk easily, walk comfortably and everything. That is how for human beings, food is most essential part. It also helps us to work and play. Food helps in grow and become strong. Food protects us from diseases and keeps us healthy. If we have healthy food, it makes us healthy. It gives us strength and makes us healthy. We may become sick. Sometimes we may suffer from fever or cold or something. Then this food, if we eat food properly, healthy food, which builds our energy, which gives our energy, which helps us to grow, which protects our immunity, which gives our strength. If we eat it, then we can defeat all the types of diseases and become so healthy. So today we are going to learn about the food which gives us energy and food which makes us to grow. So what are the food that gives us energy are? The food that gives us energy is, there are many food, different foods that gives us energy. So that is chapati. Chapati, which is also called as roti, which is round. We like to eat it a lot. And rice. Rice is the main food of all Indians. We eat it regularly. And then oil. Most of us use oil in all the food to make curry. Then butter. We apply it on a roti, on a chapati, or on the bread and everything. And potato, which is our favorite vegetable. This also gives us energy. And sugar. These are the food which gives us energy. So here, if you notice, what are they all? They are rich in fiber and carbohydrates. How they are? These all are rich in fiber and carbs. Carbs are also called as carbohydrates. So that is why these are the food which gives us energy. We can work for very long if we eat it. We can work, we can play happily. And what is the food that help us to grow? It helps our body to grow. What are those? Those are cheese. You like the most. You eat it in a sliced bread. You place it inside a sliced bread in sandwiches. We eat them. And dal. Dal are also called as cereals. Then milk. We drink milk. Am I right? Which helps us to grow. And then nuts, peanuts or cashew nuts or almonds. These are all called as nuts. And then eggs. We boil them, we fry them. And also dal, milk, these are all the food which helps us to grow. If you see here, what is this? These are rich in fiber and carbohydrates, and these are rich in protein food. So protein food helps us to grow, whereas fiber and carbs helps us to give energy. That is how we eat different type of food. Protein food which helps our body to give immunity. It helps us to do lot of things and help our body to grow. We are all growing students. So that is why, as you all are growing children, what you have to do? You have to drink milk, at least 2 glasses of milk every day, which helps your body to grow. Then next, we also eat fruits and vegetables. Am I right? They are very colorful and beautiful. We like to eat even fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are healthy food. You also like to eat burger, pizza, sandwiches, snacks, chips and all. Am I right? You get it from the store and you eat them. Am I right? Those are unhealthy food. They are very bad to our health. Once in 3 months or 4 months, it's good. But eating it regularly, making a habit of eating regularly is very bad because it is very unhealthy. We don't know what are they using, what is the oil they are using. It's so unhealthy. They keep it here and there. It's not fresh at all. We also have to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Whenever your parents or your elders bring something from the market, what you have to do? First, you have to wash them thoroughly, wash them neatly, and then eat clean and fresh vegetables or fruit before cooking any curry, ask your mother to wash them neatly in soap, detergent or any other washing material, and then or at least a water, using a water, and then cook them. Without washing, you should not touch any food or eat any food. Also remember that you should always cover your food before eating or after eating them. Now in your textbook, see here, you have test it yourself. You have to test yourself. Some of the pictures of vegetables and fruits are given. So what is mentioned there? If you eat it raw, raw is something you eat like that. So if you eat it raw, write R, and if you cook it, then write C. Cook starts with C, so write C. Raw starts with R, so write R. First is peas, which are green in color. We can eat them raw as well as cooked ones. Am I right? So they are both raw and cooked. The next is mango, which is the king of all the fruit. Mango, which comes in only summer season, which is very tasty, our favorite fruit. So we eat it raw. Am I right? And also we use it in pickle. The green mangoes, which are also called as kacha mango, what do? We put a pickle or use it in a curry also. The next is potato. What do? We eat it raw? No, but we cook them. We fry them and then we eat. We fry them or cook them. Next are eggs. Do we eat raw eggs? No, I don't like to eat raw eggs. I cook them and eat them. Some of them like to eat raw as well to build their body. Yes, next is chicken, which is our favorite. Only some of them like to eat. No, all of us eat fruits and vegetables. But when it comes to meat, fish, chicken, only some of us like to eat. So this is, we have to cook it, wash it thoroughly and then cook and then eat. We cannot eat it raw. It's so bad. Right. Then is carrot. We can eat it raw or cook them, both raw and cook. Then is tomato, which is the fruit as well as a vegetable. We can eat it raw and also cook them. Next is radish, which is white in color and green on the top. That is also, we can eat it raw in salad. We use in salad. Tomatoes, carrot, onions, these are all are used in salad. Then how many meals we have in a day? We have meals 3 times a day. How many times? 3 times a day. Meals are the time where we eat food. So we eat food 3 times a day. That is called as meal. So first meal is breakfast. Early in the morning, what we have is called as breakfast. Then comes the mid time. What do we eat? Lunch. We eat lunch. Then during night, what do we eat? At night, we have dinner. These are the 3 regular meals we eat daily. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are 3 meals that we have daily. And also we have some other things which are named different, like when we have breakfast and lunch at same time, then it is called as brunch. What? Brunch. Some of them don't have their breakfast on time. So what do? They mix up their breakfast with the lunch and then take it. So that is called as brunch. And before dinner, in the evening time, what do we have? We have some evening snacks. Am I right? Like nuts or something cooked in our home, like pakoras and something. Am I right? Or biscuits we have during this time. Those are called as evening snack. We can take a glass of milk at that time. These are the basic meals. 3 meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. The breakfast and lunch combined together is called as brunch. And before dinner at evening, we have some snacks. They are called as evening snacks. Now we will learn good food habits. Eating food in proper manner is also important. So we are also having good food habits. How do we eat? What we should do before eating? That all comes in this. We can learn. Have your meal at fixed time every day. On time. You have to have your food on time. If you don't have food on time, it makes you ill. It suffers a lot. You may get hurt. Stomach may pain. Stomach may get hurt. You may ache your stomach. Or you may feel sick. We have to rush to the hospital. That is why you have to take meals on time. That is a good food habit. Next, always eat fresh and clean food. What I have said, that do not eat stale food, which is very bad to health, where bad smell comes when it is spoiled. Do not eat it. Eat only fresh food. And also, when you get something from market, wash them thoroughly, wash them neatly, and then cook or eat it raw as you like. But eat clean food. Washing is very important. Then wash your hands before eating something. Before or after eating something, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands. As your hands you touch every day, here and there. You always touch something, or you go out to play. So what is there? You might touch to any infection or viruses. So that is why when it goes into your stomach, it hurts you a lot. So to protect ourselves, we always have to wash our hands frequently, and before eating and after eating your meals, you have to wash your hands thoroughly. Rinse your mouth with water after eating. After having your meal, what you have to do? You have to rinse your mouth. Gargle your mouth. Take some water, put it in the mouth, gargle, and then spit it off. Whatever the food is left in your teeth will go away, and you will not get any bad smell. So this is a very good food habit, that after eating the meal, wash your mouth neatly. Rinse your mouth with water. Do not waste food. When you have food, do not waste food. Take only how much you can eat. That much only you take it in your plate and then eat. Do not waste food. Do not spill. Before eating, place a napkin neatly and then eat. Do not spill the rice or something what you eat. Then never eat too much. Don't eat too much of food, because when it too much, your stomach get hurt. How much you can eat? Eat only that much. Then brush your teeth at night twice a day. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Avoid junk food like pizza, burger and chips. As I told you, eat only healthy food. Avoid junk food which get outside. The next, you have tick the correct word in each sentence. Food gives us energy. Fruit and vegetable keeps us healthy. Am I right? Then we have lunch in the afternoon. Afternoon time we have lunch. In the morning we have breakfast. At night we have dinner. Then we should eat dirty food or clean food? We must eat clean food. Very good. Foods like dash help us to grow. Rice or eggs? What helps us to grow? Eggs helps us to grow. Whereas rice gives us energy. But eggs helps us to grow. Next you have the food items given here in the picture. You write it. If it gives energy, write E. If it gives, if you helps it to grow, then write G. If it's healthy food, write H. So fruits and vegetables are healthy. So food which gives us energy is chapati, rice, oil, butter, potato and sugar. So write them as E. Which helps us to grow is cheese, dal, milk, nuts and eggs. Write them G. So fruits and vegetables are healthy food. That is all we have learned. Next is answer the following questions. By reading the lesson, by right answering, you can answer it easily. Then what you have daily, whatever meals you have daily, you can prepare a chart there. Breakfast, lunch, evening snack, dinner. Whatever you have, write it on your own, given there in your textbook. Then is color the picture appropriately with their colors, how they match. I have done it for myself. You can do it as your same. This is your homework for today. That is what we all have learned today about the food we eat, which gives us energy, makes us strong and helps us to grow. So always eat healthy food and learn the good food habits, practice them and tell others also to obey the good food habits. If you see around someone spilling food, ask them not to spill the food, not to waste the food. You might have learned new things today. Let us meet with a new chapter in the next class. Thank you so much. Love you all, sir.